How to verify your Discord account. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can easily verify your Discord account. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button as well. So if you're trying to verify your Discord account, the first thing you need to do is verify your email address. And to do that, first open up your app. And then from your home page, you can tap on the U icon right here at the bottom. And then you can tap it again to head over to your settings. Once you open up your settings tab, you'll find the account section right here. Go ahead and tap on it. So if you are trying to create a new account, then you will be directly prompted to verify your email. But if you have already created your account and want to verify afterwards, that's all right as well. Go ahead and tap on your email address right here, and then you want to send a verification code to your email. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you just have to check your current email address to verify your account. And if you want to change your email address, you can do that as well. So go ahead and enter the code right here. So I'm just gonna copy the code. So here is the email that I've received from Discord. So I'm just going to copy this code and paste it right here. Once you do that, just tap on next. And if you want to give reasons on why you are changing your email, you can do that. And afterwards, you can directly enter your new email address and verify it as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.